Good morning, I'm Stephanie with Missouri Star Quilt Company in Backing and Trim. Today we are highlighting some of the designers that we have for you to finish your quilts. Some of my favorite fabrics are the Urban Cottage. This is a motif fabric and it complements a modern quilt that someone may have made. And we have my favorite, the Farm Girl. This is a Windham fabric. And this would complement a primitive or a darker quilt. This is not the new line, but it is a Tula Pink, wonderful, happy, colorful backing with little birds. If you're bringing your quilt to Hamilton to be quilted, right here in Backing and Trim is where you'll bring it. Our associates will help you pick out the perfect backing as well as the perfect design to go on the quilt. We also have this lovely hundreds of thread to choose from. In Backing and Trim, we also carry hundreds of notions. We carry buttons, we carry zippers, we carry the labels for the quilts. We also carry the iron-on and freezer paper in Backing and Trim.